Vishaya AI just released, and in this review, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just a tech enthusiast, Vishaya AI could change how you approach digital strategies. Stick around till the end because we'll cover the features, the pros, and the things that might make you reconsider using it. First off, Vishaya AI is designed to simplify complex tasks by using advanced algorithms for automation. If you've been using AI tools in digital marketing, you'll instantly see how this one can streamline your workflow. It's especially useful for automating content generation, email marketing, and customer engagement, all in one place. One of the key features that set Vishaya AI apart is its ability to personalize content based on user behavior. The AI scans previous interactions and tailors future content, making your marketing campaigns feel more natural and targeted. This kind of personalization is crucial if you're trying to boost conversions and get more engagement. The more it learns, the better it gets at predicting what your audience will respond to. The user interface of Vishaya AI is incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. It's clean, simple, and doesn't overwhelm you with too many options. For anyone looking for ease of use while still having powerful features, this is a major plus. The onboarding process is smooth, and you'll have your first campaign set up in no time. What really makes Vishaya AI stand out is the real-time analytics it offers. Unlike some other tools that provide insights hours or even days later, this software updates in real time, giving you a live view of how your campaigns are performing. This immediate feedback lets you adjust on the fly, which can be the difference between success and failure in digital marketing. However, there's a downside to consider. While it's packed with useful features, it might not be the best fit for businesses with extremely niche needs. If your operations require very specific customization that isn't available out of the box, you might find yourself needing additional integrations or workarounds. That being said, for most general users, Vishaya AI offers enough flexibility to cover a wide range of tasks. Another benefit of Vishaya AI is its scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing large-scale digital marketing campaigns, the software scales to meet your needs. It's built to handle everything from managing customer data to running massive advertising campaigns, making it a great tool as your business grows. If you're worried about the cost, here's some good news. You can try Vishaya AI for completely free through the first link in the description below. It's a risk-free way to see if it's the right fit for you. With thousands of AI tools on the market, it's rare to find one that actually lives up to the hype, but Vishaya AI just might be one of those exceptions. To wrap up, Vishaya AI is a solid choice if you're looking for an all-in-one AI solution for digital marketing. Its ease of use, personalization capabilities, and real-time insights are key features that can drive better results in your campaigns. That said, if you need very specialized solutions, you might want to look at additional tools. As always, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've got my recommended list in the description below for you to check out for free. Don't forget to explore those and see how they can boost your digital marketing strategy.